In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent notifications from having an effect on muting different programs and applications on your computer. So if you're browsing a video or watching something or listening to some music and a notification pops up and it mutes that, that can certainly be frustrating. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off that ability for notifications to actually be able to do that. So we're going to jump straight into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in control panel. Best match should go back with control panel listed right above app. So go ahead and just left click on that. Select the view by and make sure it's set to category view, and then select hardware and sound. Select the sound option, and then finally it should automatically be on the playback page here. Select the speakers, so go ahead and just left click on whatever your speaker device is, and select properties. Now go on the advanced tab in the speaker properties, or whatever it might be called. It might be called something else if there's a specific brand name perhaps, but it should look very familiar or similar to this. And go ahead and select advanced. Now uncheck the option where it says allow applications to take exclusive control of this device option, and then select apply and OK. And there you go, guys, simple as that. So no more annoying notifications should be muting your videos, music, whatever you might be doing beforehand. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.